Capricorn. This is going to be your what's going on between us love reading for this month. And we may do some additional card pulls just depending on what comes up in this reading. Please keep in mind, if you're new, that these messages are for specific Capricorns. They're not going to resonate for everyone. So if they resonate with you, that's great. But if not, feel free to check out your moon, your rising, potentially your Venus sign as well. And we'll see what's going on between you and your person. I typically read the left side as your energy, Capricorn, the right side as your person's. But if you resonate more with the right side, please feel free to reverse the roles. Okay. Feels like a rough patch here. All right, what's going on here? What do I need to know? Some of you may be dealing with another earth sign, specifically a Virgo, but could be a Taurus or another Cap like you. It's weird, Capricorn, because it feels like this is going to be for Capricorns that are in a cycle with someone where you two constantly hurt each other. I mean, I don't know. I mean, for some of you that may be physically, hopefully not. But for some of you it's physically, some of you it's mentally, some of you it's emotionally, psychologically. You two hurt one another. You're coming up as someone who's really, really stressed out about this relationship. This relationship specifically causes you a lot of sleepless nights, or you're worried a lot about it. You think a lot about it. And I feel like either you worry whether this relationship is really, really stable, really, really solid, or what worries you is the pace of the relationship. You feel like it's not going anywhere. Or if it's going somewhere, it's just taking so long to get there. Your person's coming up as the Ten of Swords and the Emperor. So I'm reading this one of two ways. Either this person did something recently to either end this relationship and they ended it in a very, very painful way for you. Either they completely cut you off, or they said something or did something extremely hurtful. It felt like a betrayal. And it felt like they had no remorse in doing so. There's this energy of, this is an energy, for some of you, this person comes up as an energy like they can hurt you with a straight face, with no emotional response at all. For others of you, if that's not the case, I feel like this person is extremely, extremely hurt by something that's gone on between the two of you, but they're trying their best not to show it. It's almost as if it's not even just composure, but it's trying to present a strong image for either other people around them or just for themselves. I gotta see, I'm gonna do how this person feels, but we're going to go through that one fairly quickly because I feel like there's some other cards we need to pull here, because this doesn't feel like the healthiest of cycles that you're in, Capricorn, with this person. It really, really doesn't. All right, let's see. How does this person feel about Capricorn, please? Very conflicted energy, Capricorn. This person is very conflicted. Very, very conflicted. For some of you, this person can feel like you two are always fighting. that you two can't get along, that they don't know what to do with you, don't know what to do about this relationship at all, with the Two of Swords showing up in their thoughts. They're trying to, again, that maintaining composure element is here in how they feel too, with the Strength energy. Anything that they feel, they don't want to show. They want to remain in control or attempt to regain control here. There's also Scorpio and Virgo energy here, just so you know, but with the King of Cups showing up in the challenge for this person, either this person finds it very, very difficult to be emotionally vulnerable, or they are very emotionally abusive, potentially. Let's clarify the King of Cups in the challenge. Or they don't feel the same way. They don't care enough. They don't have enough emotion for you any longer. It's one of those here. Clarify the King of Cups, please. If you're waiting for this person to be emotionally vulnerable, you're going to be waiting a very long time, and it may never come for you. So you need to start really thinking about that. If you're waiting on them to share their feelings or share their emotions, or all of a sudden become emotionally generous with you, it feels like you're going to be waiting a long time. And you're not, and it's this energy, you're not going to get what you want here. What's this Hermit? Because moving forward, their next action towards you is the Hermit. It's like it's almost like they're shutting you out. What's this Hermit energy about? They're going into a self-reflective mode, or a mode where they're focusing on self. Is this Hermit, please? They're going to be focusing definitely more on work, on making money, on becoming more established for a lot of you. That's your energy too. Clarify the Queen of Pentacles. This also could be some energy of them pondering about you. What is this? What's this energy? I feel like they'll be thinking more about you than doing anything about the relationship. You need to be aware of that. What's that? That's a Wands. A Hierophant. I feel like there's a strong focus here more on their business, if they have a business, or a job or career. It's like that's what they're going to be focused on. It's like reaffirming to me that this Queen of Pentacles is more about some institution, entity, company, field of study. It's that kind of energy more than there's energy about a love relationship here. Why is this Strength here? Four of Pentacles. Yeah, it's the same energy for me. They don't want to open up to you. They don't want to share some aspect of themselves with you. What about the Five of Wands? Lovers. Either there's too much conflict in the relationship with you, or the conflict is they find it difficult to make a choice about the relationship or what they really want to do. Very conflicted about this relationship, very much so. Yeah. And what's the Two of Swords, please? Queen of Swords. There's some energy here like they contemplate whether or not they should cut you out completely and focus on something else here. Ten of Swords. Yeah, Seven of Swords. Honestly, their focus is somewhere else completely. They think more about, honestly, like abandoning this connection than they do about salvaging it. Anything else for this Lovers? The Hanged Man. Be careful because there's some energy here like this person could string you along if you allow them to, with this Hangman coming out here. Especially if they offer a more unconventional relationship and that's not really what you want. You need to be clear on that because they'll take that. If they can get kind of what they prefer the relationship to be. And it feels like that would leave you potentially very unfulfilled if you're already stressed out about this connection. So that was your reading. I hope that was helpful and provided a little bit of clarity for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.